वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
योगश्चित्तिवृत्तिनिरोधः तदा द्रष्टुस्वरूपेव स्थानं वृत्तिस्वरूप्यं इतरत्र वृत्तया पञ्चया क्लिष्टा अक्लिष्टा प्रमाणा विपर्या विकल्पा निद्रा स्मृतयः प्रत्यक्षा अनुमाना आगमः प्रमाणानि विपर्यो मिथ्या ज्ञानं तदरूपा प्रतिष्ठम् आलम्बना वृत्तिनिद्रा अनुभूता विषया सम्प्रमोषा स्मृतिः अभ्यासा वैराग्याभ्यां तन्निरोधा तत्र स्थितौ यत्नौ अभ्यासा सतु दीर्घकालनैरन्तर्यः सत्कालसेवितो दृढभूमि दृष्टानुशविका विषया विकृष्णस्य वशिकारसंज्ञा वैराग्यम् अज्ञाता विरामा प्रत्यया अभ्यासा पूर्वा संस्कारशेषो न्यः भावा प्रत्यया विदेहा प्रकृतिलयना श्रद्धा वीर्या स्मृति समाधि प्रज्ञा पूर्वा इतरेषां तीव्र संवेदानां वासना.
Like you are coming after a long jaundice attack, and you all are sounding like you are coming after a boxing session. So can we make the heart one little louder? Otherwise, they can. Can you all see your colleagues and all of you to start this new class? And it's a very interesting journey of mine, because when I started this center, when we did the Bhumi Puja, it was God's grace that Guruji was kind enough to accept that invitation to do Bhumi Puja. And then again it was God's grace and Guruji was kind enough to do the inauguration ceremony. Then it was my sheer luck that my first anniversary was again blessed by Guruji, center's first anniversary. And today when we are opening this new class, again Guruji is here to bless us. This is one of the most memorable moment for me. If I can stand, talk, smile and give you some light to follow, is because of Guruji. So well, I never wanted to make this center for sure, because it's a bone-breaking process. I had no experience to do the construction. Knowing my temperament to be precise, I got quite scared to start even this mammoth project without any financial support. Because I started my return journey back to normal life at the age of 30. I always consider myself 14 after Raga Yoga, but I came back to normal life, to walk properly at the age of 30. And I still remember Guruji wanted me to spread this message by teaching, and my father was behind my neck that you should have a small center for your propagation of this subject. And I remember I had a fight with him at the dining table saying, you will be busy in your parliament and I will be breaking my back. Because in India to construct anything is a real difficult thing. But as luck would have happened, I think he gave me a very good push which was required, and it was Guruji's blessings. Every time I used to break my back, will go and crib, and Guruji will rectify me and I will again start my journey of construction. But beyond that, the thing which actually gave me the real force to do this is, I still remember it was the month of April and I was in the medical class in Iyengar Institute in Pune, and Guruji was teaching me full Marichasana, which is still he only can make me to do that. It's a very intensive twisting, and Guruji was making me to do the classical pose, which was quite difficult for me then and now also. And he made me to do a series of twisting. I don't even remember, don't know that whether Guruji remembers or not, but I did a whole series of twisting, and every twist, Guruji will throw his sweat like this on the floor. Month of April in Pune is quite hot, and he was putting his soul, to everyone. But for me, looking at those dots of sweat was quite a lot. That always gave me the push that one day I will spread this message, which way I never knew. And also I have taken a vow that I will never waste his sweat ever in my life. And I think this is the drive which drove me so hard. I'm working on this project since the last, I think, 8 years. Quite tough. All my health issues, all financial issues, no experience. And I think that vow inside me that I will never waste my Guru's single sweat brought this whole thing to happen, and of course my parents' good wishes and Guruji's grace and divine grace. Now we are heading towards the end of this journey. I am now just getting into the last phase of my construction, and as all my students know, I am bankrupt. So I was reading in Shastra, and in Shastra it is written, when you have to do certain puja for your Guru or for your Ishtadeva, and you don't have money, then you can offer those many numbers of flowers. You can do the same puja with those many mantras to get the same feeling. I thought, why not use the same principle? So when Guruji told me that he is coming, it was, I think, almost a month and a half. I decided, Guruji, that this time they should by heart the Patanjali Yoga Sutra, and we have done with a lot of hard work 21 sutras from the first chapter, and there are these are the flowers from our side, because there's nothing which we can offer you except our hard work. And then unfortunately I got chikungunya, so I was not well, so they did a lot of hard work in the last 15 days. And as we are Indians, we don't know Hindi, we don't know Sanskrit. So you will be surprised to see that the foreigners are reciting very nicely. And they have tried their level best. All the good things which they will say in good pronunciation, the credit goes to you, Guruji, and their hard work. And anything which they do wrong, I take the responsibility. With these words, I would like Guruji to first lit the lamp, and we do a small puja of Patanjali idol, which he has blessed last time also. And can you all stand up? You will do the puja.
All of you can say yoga.
Yeah.